Hi, I'm Wire. Welcome to Wireworks. Hey everybody, Wire here. Been a couple weeks since we been on. Been busy working every Saturday and a couple Sundays. What we're going to be doing here today is I'm going to build a 12-volt power station for my van. I took my van and converted it into a camper, and I need some kind of station to power all my utilities I have in it, my LED lamps, my TV, and my ham radios. So I figure I'll just make one central power station that I'll be able to power these things with when I go camping or if I'm out on the road or something. The way this is going to work is I have a switched and direct input. The switch will be hooked up to my vehicle, and when I have my solar panels, I hook my solar panels over here, and I can turn the power off from my vehicle by using this switch right here. Or if I want to charge my battery in my car, I can switch it on and just use my solar panel from my controller to charge the battery. Okay, these inputs will power these four outputs here, all 12 volts VDC. It also has a built-in meter, a USB port for charging my phones, and a 12-volt cigarette lighter. So let me show you the schematics that I got up on how I'm going to wire this. Okay, this is the way it's going to be wired. The power will come in from here. This is your positive, this is your negative. I'll be able to use this switch to turn this hot off. And when I want them all on, I'll flick that switch on, and it'll link all these in parallel. When I want to just run everything off of a battery outside my vehicle, I just hook the battery to these inputs, and it'll run all of these. As you can see, this is all the hot by the solder lines, and the negative is all the negative lines. At any time, whether I'm using the car power or the direct power, it'll always power this up right here. Let me show you the materials I'll be using for this. Be right back. I'm going to be using this project box, roughly 8 by 4 inches. Bought this online for a couple bucks. This is about a meter, USB, and 12-volt cigarette lighter. Had the switch laying around, so I'm probably going to use this. And all my banana plugs that I'll be using for this. This whole project cost me $15. If I went to buy this, it'd be like 80 bucks already built. But I've got so much junk around the house, I could build my own. So let's get to it, and let's get this thing built. This is Wired Wireworks. Okay everybody, all the holes are drilled. Let's start mounting all the hardware. and then we'll do some wiring. It's wired Wireworks. Okay, we have it all, everything, all the hardware mounted. Turned out pretty nice. All we got to do now is do the wiring. I'm going to secure all these with some lock washers, and we'll start working on the wiring. So give me a few. Let me download some of this video so I can take a break. It's a little hot out here on my patio. It's about 92 degrees out here, and I need to get something in my body as far as thirst. So we'll be right back. This is Wired Wireworks. Okay, we're all finished, all wired up. Everything tested out pretty good, so let's get this case back together, button it up, and we'll put something on to see if it'll work. Okay, I didn't put any fuses in this. The simple fact that the line in from my car battery already has fuses on it. I pretty much will install them at the battery, and everything I'm running on this will be have an inline fuse. I usually like to, whenever I do something that needs to be hooked up to the battery in the car. I always put the fuses on right after the battery. This makes a lot more sense. Obvious this stripping isn't going into well. Let me fight with this. I'll be right back. Okay, here it is all buttoned up, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that or not. I have to turn the lamp off. I have this on. I'm getting 13. I have it hooked up to my battery jump box. I'm getting 13 volts. So everything is working real well. Okay, now when I turn this off, it turns off, it shows me that it has turned off the switched. Now when I plug this in, that's direct, comes on automatically. 12.8 volts. So this is going to work out real well. Stay tuned next week. What I'm going to do is I'm going to build the LED light for my van. I'm going to wind up putting a white light and blue light and be able to switch between them when we're out camping or something. And we'll see how this works. I want to get some labels on this and put it to the test next week. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys next week. Have a nice weekend. This is Wired Wireworks.